I got fined $1,000.
Why would I leave? Why would I find him $1,000?
For meditating.
Come here, meditating.
Come here, what's going on?
How, you may ask? Because of this guy.
Hey, cuz, what you doing?
And here's what he had to say about my fine.
Like, bro, if you don't get your guru party looking on somewhere, if it was me, his would have got $10,000.
This not right, man. I'm in here meditating. And finally, this is how it all started.
Y'all wanna learn how to meditate? Tasiim, I'm about to start meditating today. All right, come on. Come on, this is how you start it off. This is how you start it off. You cross your legs, right? You cross your legs. And then you do this. What's up, guys? It's Fred's here with another vlog. Trying to see what the hell's going on. You see it? Look at it. It's big everywhere up in here. This man up in here just chilling though. He up here meditating. Trying to get him to see if he'll say something to the camera. You good? You not gonna say anything? You gonna do me like that? Not one thing. I know you hear me. I hear you. That's how you feel? You don't hear me? But how'd you speaking? You heard something. But anyways, that's how he gonna do me up in here. Hey, cuz, what you doing? Yo, you tripping, bro. I'm trying to talk to my girl. What?
Nothing that you say has anything to do with my life.
Oh, so it's like that, huh? You just not finna answer me, huh? I bet. Yo, alright. Yo. You're tripping.
Whoa, calm down. Calm down.
We're meditating.
Calm down. What's going on? What's going on? What you over here doing? Oh, okay. How are you? Hey, buddy. Hey,
I
buddy.
cannot hear you.
Cannot hear me. What do you mean you cannot hear me? If you really couldn't hear me, you would not have to say the words, I cannot hear you. So therefore, you can't hear me. So get up and tell me what's going on.
And then it's already just busts down the door and comes in there and say, who in here meditating? I'm like, what's wrong with you? We not allowed to meditate?
Hey.
Hey, why you in the man like
Hey, do you want to find? Do you want to find?
I mean, but you gotta
do you want to find? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay then. No, get up. Hey.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
I'm sitting here meditating.
You can't be sitting here just meditating if I have residents coming to me.
Why are residents coming to you? I am sitting here in a public lobby meditating
It don't matter.
to the
Why
public.
would he have to come? You know what?
This
Come on.
doesn't make it.
Come on.
What are you doing?
Come on.
What are you?
Really?
He just snatched this man up. I thought he dislocated his shoulder the way he pulled him. He fell and hit the ground like, whoa, this is injustice.
Why would you do that? That was unnecessary.
You fly. And I'm telling you to come on.
I'm
come
going
on.
back to my spot.
No.
And I
What did I say? No.
What are you
come on.
doing?
No.
Why would?
Do you want to find? That's a fine for litter.
Why would
get
I
out.
get a fine?
You know what? Get out. I'm done.
No, you
get out.
get out.
Get out.
Why would I leave? Why would I find him $1,000? I am minding my own business.
And already come in here and give me $1,000 fine. And he talking about I'm too loud. How am I too loud? I'm literally not doing anything.
You know what? Since I'm having a good day,
It ain't no way.
I'm not gonna let anybody affect it.
You're gonna pay this fine.
I'm gonna mind my own business.
Okay. You mind your own business. I understand that.
Later.
With a fine.
Why would I get a fine?
No, you're getting this fine.
Why would I get a fine?
I already wrote it.
No.
You have a fine.
Why would I get a fine?
$1,000. I told you to get up and leave
No,
when
no.
I should have left when I told
It
you.
doesn't make any sense.
No, you have a fine here.
Why would I get a fine?
You're fine. You pay it. Take it. Now, it's yours. $1,000. You know where to take it and get it paid.
You wanna know what I have to say to this fine?
You're gonna pay it? Cash or credit?
No.
No. You gonna rip up? I can write more. You know what? $2,000.
I'm not paying no fine.
$2,000.
I'm
You're
meditating.
paying the fine. You're not meditating. You're paying the fine.
Why are you following me?
Because you're paying this fine.
Why are you following
Because
me?
you're paying this fine.
No, this
Here.
is against school policy.
It's in school policy, nothing.
No,
You
no.
have a fine. Yes, sir.
Bro, watch out, bro, if I knock you out. Oh, bro.
As an RA, my job is to help my resident. If one of my residents comes to me about another resident, I have to deal with that in that manner. And for him to get loud with me, that was unnecessary. And he think he ain't gotta pay that fine. Still got $1,000 fine on that balance. At the end of the day, no matter, you know what? This is why I shouldn't even be here. I quit this job right now. I'm gone.
So I'm just in there chilling, right, playing my Call of Duty mobile. Then out of nowhere, this RA come up in here and snatch this man up, talking about he being too loud and meditating and disturbing other people. But then he told me, you better shut up or you getting a fine too. So like, he threw a $1,000 fine on me, I'ma leave. I ain't come back to this school.
If you ask me, that man deserved that $1,000 fine. I'm talking about I'm sitting down sexing my girl, right? And this man sitting down talking about some loud as a mud. Like, bro, if you don't get your groove party looking ass on somewhere, if it was me, his would have got $10,000.
Even though this dude snitched on me, he's not that bad after all. I taught him a little something about meditation.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Turban. You already know what happening.
This man. Nah, but we speaking about meditation. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. What you finna do? Watch this. Nah, just watch. Just watch. Do it, come on. Come on.
Yo, what did you about to do?
Dang, watch this. Here you go. Meditation, right? You thought I was playing?
You finna meditate.
I'm meditating in all areas.
Bet.
Y'all saw how them folks just looked at him, cause he was looking at us like, oh, what the f you doing?
But that's meditation, right? Yeah. Oh, okay, come on.
My homie Tasiim been telling me about meditation and how, oh, it's so amazing. It has so many benefits and this and that. You know what? I'm gonna try it out for myself. Watch.
You about to try it now?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
I cannot hear that dog barking in the background.
It's cold as Oh, so that already thought he was about to stop us, huh? Not knowing that we all meditating. Hold on, check this out. I'm out here with my boyfriend.
Yeah, he done got me to meditate. No?
Right, that's what I'm saying.
I already know.
We over here meditating.
What he say?
We over here meditating. You really? Yeah. You can't find us all. You can't find us all. You can't find for meditation. Why would you?
I can write you a fine whenever I want to. I can write you a fine whenever I want to.
Find us all. You can't shop. You
help meditating with him?
Come here. Meditating. Come here.
Wow. Really? You know what? So this your meditating group.
This my meditating group.
Your meditating group.
This my meditating group.
Guess what?
What?
Guess what?
What you gonna do? This my meditating group.
Everybody got a fine.
Hold on. How you gonna find everybody?
You got a fine. You got a fine. You got a fine. You got a fine.
Nobody does not have a bond. Nobody does not have a bond.
You have a fine.
Can't find me.
You have a fine.
David Lee, lost like 12 years, professional. All right.
You know what I think they right? Oh,
We got rights.
who I need? David Lee. You know, that's a fine for litter. $300 fine for litter.
Oh, he over here meditating with us. Y'all know what I'm saying? He over here meditating with us. He over here meditating.
It don't matter. All y'all get is fine. Fine.
Getting the fine.
Give me 2 cookies. You don't get no fine. You can leave right now. Give me 2 cookies. You can go. I won't fire you or nothing. What do you want to do?
Right. You gonna stay on my side. He can't find everybody.
2 cookies. You know I can. You know I will.
He can't find everybody.